Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Dodge Nitro Heat. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 68,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, power windows, roof rails, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger.